Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an art journal page to share with you and I'm working in my pocket junk art journal. There's already some color on the right side of my page. This is from cleaning some brushes and I am adding some black gesso. When the black gesso is dry, I also add in some white one. While the gesso is still wet, I go in with the acrylic paints I have prepared. I have a yellow, a neon pink and a light blue. I really love adding the paints with my fingers because I feel it's very much easier than working with a brush and it goes more intuitive and it's also more playful. I try to create different marks with my fingertips. Here I'm using a small flat brush to create some different marks. You can explore all your brushes and see which marks you can create with them. And for example, you could also use the backside of your brush to create some tiny dots. As always, you will find a post over on my blog where you can see some close-up images. Here I am using an acrylic fineliner to create even more marks on my page. I really enjoy these type of bottles because you get the fineliner tips. I will write the name of the brand where I have these from in my description box. Here I'm using the white one to create kind of a flourish image on the background. Here I'm using just a Q-tip to create some more dots on the page. And I add even bigger circles with the backside of a blending sponge tool I have in my stash. And it creates really nice, perfect round dots. I want to add a flower as my main image, and here I'm coloring it in with watercolors. I've stamped it to watercolor paper using a permanent ink. Before I'm adding my main images, I'm doing some background stamping, and I'm adding stamps from the Mixed Media Marks stamp set. The stamping ink I'm using here is StazOn because it works best on an acrylic surface. To finish up the page, I'm gluing down my flowers. And this is my page for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we see us next time. Bye!